Welcome back. So in the last model we have created this document and set it up in this way. So you can see in left hand side there is a grid circle system where you're going to create our vector icons. Here's a sketch idea and here's a small preview of what we are going to create here. Okay, so let's start creating our icons in this model. And first of all, press Ctrl R to bring our rulers. You can see there's a rulers comes, and now press Ctrl and spacebar to bring this zoom tool and bring this single icon up front. Okay, so here we are going to create our home icon. So let's bring our ruler, and now you can see I'm going to put it here, 1 2 3 here. This will help to just create our icon in the size and width proper. Okay, so now you can see, now I just placed here, and now let's bring the vertical one and I place here. You can see 1 2 3, and another one is here. Okay, so now we are going to create our icon inside this rectangle. We cannot cross these edges because it will help you to just organize your icons in awesome way. Okay, in the center of this, and that's why this is really helpful to us. Okay, so we are going to follow a grid system. Now you can see this is a grid of circles. Okay, so let's create our home icon. For that I go to pen tool, and you can see this is a pen tool. Well, I really don't like to work with pen tool like this way, so I press caps lock, and now you can see how it is going to appear. You can see it's really nice because it will make sure that your line is get proper. So let's create our home icon. For that, just click here in the center, you can see, and now I go here and click here, and now you can see I click here, and now I go down like this. Yeah, and you can see here is a center. Okay, so our door comes in exact center. For that I just like to go here and click here and go up a little bit. Yeah, this much up. Let's take this one. Okay, click here. Now I go here at this point and click here, and now I go down here. You can see my guide is showing me that there's a vertical and horizontal place, so I click here. Yeah, this is nice. And you can see now I go here, I click here, now I go up here, now go here, click here, and now you can see I just go here, and you can see there's a small circle up here. It's saying that you are about to closing your path, and that's what I want. Okay, so just click here, and now you can see your home is ready. And let's fill it with black color so you can see easily. Okay, and I go to here and click on black, and now you can see our home is almost ready. You can see the small preview, this is how it look like in small. Okay, so let's create this one. This is really easy. I go here, choose the rectangle one, and you can see I just create a rectangle shape here like this one. Yeah, this is nice, and fill it with black color, and now you can see, yeah, it's look nice. And now grab an ellipse and let's make a perfect rectangle. For that, hold on your shift key and alt key, and you can see where it's located. Yeah, from there just drag it up. Nice. And let's make it black. Go to selection tool and let's bump it little bit left. Okay, 0, and control space, bring it up, and now you can see our home is ready. Okay, so let's go for talk bubble. For that I press Ctrl 0, and now press Ctrl spacebar and bring this one is up. Okay, and now let's create our talk bubble. For that, let's bring our ruler in place here. This is about here, and now let's grab a rectangle shape. Okay, and you can see I go here, 1 2 3 4. Yeah, 4 is nice. Yeah, this much big is nice. Okay, so if there is a problem we can adjust it after. Okay, so go to selection and let's bring it down little bit radius, this much. This much will nice. Yeah, this much is nice. Okay, you can see there's a top bubble shape. So let's, for that I go to star tool, and you can see if I press star tool and like this and press down arrow in my keyboard down, and it will going to make a triangle shape. Okay, so let's bring it, hold on spacebar in your keyboard and just bring it here. Okay, like this, and make it small. Okay, let's make it small. Yeah, this much small is nice. Okay, leave it and fill it with black. Okay, and selection tool, grab a selection tool and bump it little bit up, and now you can see shape is created. Let's make look like this one. For that I go to direct selection tool, click on this, and you can see there's two anchor point in each register. So if I do anything to this point, that look not going to make proper. Okay, for that I just press Ctrl Z, I go to this anchor tool and select the delete anchor tool, and now I just delete it. Now anchor point is deleted. Now I once again go to direct selection tool and click on this here, and I just drag it like this. Okay, and I just go to selection, and now I can see our top bubble is almost ready. And let's create this circle. For that I go to ellipse, and I go here and hold down Alt key and Shift key, and now it is going to create a perfect circle like this. Okay, so this is really nice. Let's make this much big. Okay, this is really cool. Okay, and let's fill it with black. Selection tool, you can see. Now hold down your Alt key in your keyboard and just drag it right. Now you can see, yeah, this much, right? Yeah, this is nice. This much, yeah, this one is nice. Now leave it, and now press Ctrl D, and it is going to create the third one for you. Okay, so let's select it all bubbles, and now let's drag it little bit left side. Okay, and now you can see, wow, your top bubble is ready. So let's go for camera. For that I press Ctrl 0 now, once again Ctrl spacebar, and bring this one front. I just bring ruler in place. Yeah, and let's create camera. For that I choose rectangle. Okay, this much big will fine. This is too big, I think. No, this much big is enough. Okay, so let's take this one, fill it with black, go to selection tool, make little bit rounded corner like this. Yeah, this is nice. And you can see, once again just make a rectangle and just draw it like handle like this. Yeah, it's nice. Yeah, it's look nice. Yeah, yeah, this is nice. And let's grab ellipse tool and hold down Alt and Shift key by going to center. You can see this is center, and now drag it like this. Yeah, this is really nice. Okay, this much big. Yeah, now leave it and fill it with white. And let's go to selection, press Ctrl C, Ctrl F for pasting in front, and now hold down the Shift and L key and just resize it to this much big. Okay, and fill it with black, and now you can see our camera. Okay, and now let's make another ellipse and put here. Okay, so same, hold down your Alt and Shift key and just make it this much big. Okay, leave it and fill it with white, and now you can see, wow, this really looks nice. But let's make it a little bit rounded corner, so this look really nice. And for that I just do this. Yeah, now you can see our camera is ready. So let's go for pencil one. For that I press Ctrl 0, Ctrl space, and bring this grid front. Okay, and let's bring our ruler in place here. and here. Okay, let's create this one. For that, I just grab this rectangle tool and I make like this much big. Yeah, this is nice. Fill it with black. Okay, go to selection tool, drag it here inside, hold on your Alt and Shift key and drag it down. Yeah, here, there we go. So Control D and let's create third one, and you can see now we are going to create our this shape. So for that I just grab our select star tool and I just, you can see, yeah, it's already here. Okay, so I press spacebar and bring it here. Okay, and now you can see we can create our, this will be nice, and let's make it like this, little bit, move it, yeah, to be straight. Yeah, now it's straight. Okay, and for that, and now here you can see this is our triangle. Now let's press Ctrl C, Ctrl F for paste in front, and just make it little and make it white, and just hold on your Alt and Shift key, and now let's make it small. Yeah, this much small. Okay, go to selection and now bring it little bit this way. Yeah, let's look nice like this. Yeah, let's look nice. Okay, so let's grab this one, this one, this one, this one, and this one, and now let's rotate this like this. Okay, wow, now you can see our pencil is ready. So now other icons we are going to create in the next module. So see you in the next module.